A case of urgency. A minor injury or a seemingly harmless infection can turn into a life-threatening situation. Sepsis. The major problem, sepsis is often recognized or diagnosed too late. Every 3 seconds, someone somewhere in the world dies from sepsis. In Germany alone, more than 60,000 people die from sepsis each year, more than 300,000 in the United States, and more than 8 million worldwide each year. Most people don't realize sepsis is one of the 10 most common causes of death. This is why scientists and physicians are desperately looking for new therapeutic options. CytoSorb is a powerful, innovative immunotherapy designed to control deadly inflammation and prevent or treat organ failure. CytoSorb cartridges contain special beads that act like tiny sponges to capture cytokines and other toxins that drive inflammation. The goal is to control inflammation, redirect the immune response, and stabilize the patient. CytoSorb has helped doctors regain control of their patients. Because CytoSorb can be easily connected to standard dialysis and heart-lung machines found in the hospital, personnel and equipment costs are minimal. Also, CytoSorb can be applied very quickly. This is critical here because every minute counts.
The CytoSorb, as a technology, modulates the composition of blood. And this is, of course, the main liquid which comes into contact with the tissue cells, and its composition is responsible for the function of organs or the lack of function of organs.
I think the most dramatic observation I've had is that the vasopressor requirement or the hemodynamics stabilized pretty quickly in those patients who eventually turn out to be survivors. And in a couple or about 3 to 4 of our patients, we've seen that the ARDS element in terms of organ dysfunction of the lung has also settled. I mean, patients who've required prone ventilation and we're just not getting there. But with the CytoSorb, in say 24 to 48 hours, we found the lung function improving significantly.
Critically ill patients, especially patients with significantly impaired renal function without need for dialysis, patients in critical situations that arrive in the OR hemodynamically unstable, or any patients with an abacterial septiform situation present, we believe, will significantly benefit from this therapy.
Well, in my view, and this is what we designed the study for, is to give the CytoSorb treatment to our patients at a very early stage. And we observed a very dramatic change within a few hours after starting antibiotic treatment, and our preliminary results are very promising. So it does have a profound effect on cardiovascular stability. It does have an effect on procalcitonin kinetics, and it does have an effect on the overall organ dysfunction score, and it is completely different as compared to the control group.
If we can identify in advance those patients who will benefit from such a therapy, then this product should be used early and aggressively to really provide the patients with the benefits from this therapy.
To be able to have a technology which allows you to reduce the drugs, the massive amount of drugs which are being given, is in itself a positive effect on the patient.
I think CytoSorb might be a revolution in critical care.
I think my personal philosophy as the CEO of CytoSorbents is to bring a revolutionary therapy to the market that can help save lives. So that is really our driving goal. It is to help people and save lives. And hopefully in doing so, not only save lives, but also reduce the massive costs of healthcare around the world, which are tremendous and a major burden to society.